Real estate market has been sizzling hot. There's no doubt about it. Price had gone up almost 20% in the last 12 months. That's actually almost 5 year worth of appreciation in just a single year. Now, where does the market go from here? Is it realistic to expect the market continue to go up? We'll find out in this episode of Real Estate Made Simple. Hello again, this is Jack Ma with Jack Ma Real Estate Group at Century 21 Master. Thank you for watching this video. And before I start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel or like my Facebook page if you find this information helpful and useful for yourself. And if you've been following my video, you know I'm pretty big on watching the supply and demand of the real estate market because they're actually the precursor to price. It is a lot easier to predict whether the price is going to go up or price is going to go down by watching carefully on how the supply and demand changes. So without further ado, let's dive into some numbers. Now let's start with the inventory, the number of homes for sale on the market. So this chart shows that in LA and Orange County, in the last year, how the inventory, so the number of homes on the market had changed. So as you can see, the numbers start dropping around May of last year for both LA and Orange County. And it basically keeps on going down, 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 down until it flats out between March and February of this year. And then we actually see the first spike in April where the inventory actually had gone up. Now let's look at the pending sales. So this gives us the demands on the market. And I'm gonna look at a bigger chart on this one. And there's something very interesting. So this is the historic data. So as you can see, generally speaking, the lowest point on the number of sales each of the year, it's usually end of the year or beginning of year. See, January, November, December. This is at December. This is at December. This is at December. And this is at December. But last year, the biggest drop happened in what? April. If you can recall, that's when everything starts to shut down, everyone is scared and then wasn't sure what to expect. So now that we're opening back to normal, logically would say that the lowest point should be in December in terms of number of sales happening on the market. And April, springtime, we should see an increase like any other year. But look what happened here. We see a huge drop in number of pending sales last month, just like last year. But things were looking better. What happened there? Well, based on this, what this is telling us is that due to the current price, it went up 20% in the last 12 months, and the interest rate had been higher and higher. It's actually putting some pressure on buyers' demand, buyers' willingness to purchase because of affordability had dropped. So based on the two charts that we saw, it is my opinion that the market is showing signs of cooling down. Of course, more data will start to help validate my opinion, and we shall find out in a month. But I don't see the supply going down anytime soon. With people are less worried about COVID, they're more comfortable putting their home on the market. Investor now soon will be able to sell their investment property because now they can evict the tenant. And the people that are trying to capitalize on a historic high price, there's no logical reason for the supply to go down anytime soon. And with demand, with the increasing in price and the interest rate, it really is putting a lot more pressure on the price, the affordability for a buyer. And then that's why we're seeing buyers starting to, hey, back off. I think the house is getting expensive. Maybe I should second thought. So I really don't see any reason unless the interest rate drops significantly again for the demand to go up. And with government printing all those money, I think we should be worried about inflation and then interest rate going up instead of going down. So in a combination, that is my opinion. I do believe the market is starting to show sign of cooling off. And no, we're not going to see price drop anytime soon. We simply are going to go from a crazy seller's market to a more of a reasonable seller's market, at least through the end of the year. And we're starting to see homes staying on the market a little bit longer, the number of multiple offer getting a little bit less, and the appreciation on the price getting a little flatter. And that's what I expect. So what are your thoughts on the market? I would love to chat about it, or hear your opinion on that. Just simply leave a message below on YouTube or Facebook, and I'll definitely respond, and then let's talk about it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to talk to you soon next time. Bye bye.